The new clock for the Royal Alloy scooter has arrived. It consists of the clock, a winding mechanism, a rubber fitting seal maybe, and the actual case which will bolt on. My plan is to bolt on under the wing mirror mount. Right, so we've got the plan, we've got the clock, that's going to go under there. I'm going to bend this up, so first is the rider, Bob's your uncle, we can see the time. So first thing is to take this off, and that is the Allen bolt with a, in my case I've got a 14mm socket under the bottom with a rather long stem. That just comes off. And that lifts off. That's going to go there. Obviously, we need to make this hole a little bit bigger. So we'll get the file, see what we can get done. Right, hole elongated. So we've got the extender, clock mount. Yeah, the washer's on there, that's okay. And then the washer and the bolt. I'm thinking something like that. Right. Lift that up a little bit. And then we bend this up. Something like that. And put the clock in. I'm going to put it at a slight angle. Set on the bike so I know what it looks like. Right, so that's now my view. There's the clock. That's obvious. Dead easy to get a clock on a scooter. It's a little bit better than the one I did before, which was on the wing mirror. I think it's better than being down there. That's just nice and visible. 2 minutes to fit. Right, we're searching for eBay or AliExpress, can't remember. Hope you found it useful. If you did, give us a thumbs up please, and catch you on the next video. Keep it faith.